This is for Grade 3, Module 1, Lesson 5. Our standards are, for 3rd grade, they're Operations in Algebraic Thinking 2, and 3rd grade Operations in Algebraic Thinking 6. And for Operation in Algebraic Thinking number 2, we're going to interpret whole number quotients of whole numbers, for example, 56 divided by 8, as the number of objects in each share with the other objects as partitioned equally, and that's a key word, into 8 shares, or as the number of shares when 56 objects are partitioned into equal shares of 8 objects. And then for Operation in Algebraic Thinking 6, we're going to understand division as an unknown factor problem. Let's take a look. So our objective is to understand the meaning of the unknown as a number of groups in division. So let's first just define the word divide. So divide means to have a fair share. You're going to separate into, and this is the key word, equal groups. So every group must have the same amount in it. Let's take a look at our first example. We're going to divide 8 cookies into groups, and they have to be equal groups, of 2. So, in other words, we know that there's going to be 2 groups, and so now we can actually make our mathematical expression, and we can write down, we'll start off with 8 divided by 2. So let's take a look what that looks like if we have 8 cookies here and we want to divide them equally into 2 groups. We could have a group here and a group here, and we get a total of 4 in each group. Let's try another one. So in this case, we're going to divide 6 roses into groups of 3. So we need 3 groups. And that's where there are 3 groups. And we're going to start with a total. That's our total. We're going to start with a total of 6. And we want to put them into 3 groups. So if we take a look at our picture here, we can have 3 groups. This could be a group. This could be a group. And this could be a group. So how many is in each group? 2. Let's try one on your own. We start off with Max has 9 books, and he puts 3 books on each table. We want you to write a division sentence where the answer represents the number of books on each shelf. So pause the video and show your work. All right, so how did you do? Let's go back. We know that Max has 9 books, and he puts 3 books on each shelf. And we could actually represent that. We could have 9 books, and we can just draw it out very quickly. It's 5, 6, 7, and we'll do 8, 9. And we need to put 3 books on each table. So we're going to have 3 groups. So if we were going to draw it out, we could say this could be a table, this could be a table, and this could be a table. So it looks like we're going to have 3 on each table. And that's 3 in each group. Now for this, they want to write a division sentence where the answer represents the number of books on each shelf. And we already have that answer. So again, we started off with 9, that's our total. And we're going to divide it into 3 equal groups, so that's the number of groups. And we're going to have 3 on each table. Is that what you came up with? Good. All right, now try some on your own. Good luck.